Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're diving into the world of crypto in 2025, you know how important it is to securely manage your assets. Today, we're tackling a common task: withdrawing Chainlink link from your Tangem wallet to your Trezor wallet. This process is straightforward, but as always with crypto, safety first. By the end of this video, you'll be able to do this confidently and avoid any common pitfalls. First things first, before we get started, make sure you have both wallets set up and accessible. You'll need your Tangem wallet with some Chainlink tokens, your Trezor wallet connected to a compatible device, and a stable internet connection. Oh, and don't forget to have your recovery phrases handy, just in case. Let's dive right in with the steps. Step 1. Open your Tangem Wallet app on your device. Navigate to your Chainlink holdings, look for the link icon. Once you're there, select the Send or Withdraw option. This is where you'll enter the destination address. Step 2. Now, switch over to your Trezor wallet. Go to the wallet's interface, probably through the Trezor Suite app, and find your receiving address for Chainlink. Copy this address carefully. Double-check it to avoid any errors, as crypto transactions are irreversible. Step 3. Back in your Tangem wallet, paste the Trezor address into the recipient field. Enter the amount of Chainlink you want to transfer, and review the transaction fees. In 2025, with improved blockchain tech, fees should be lower, but still, aim for the optimal network like Ethereum for Link. Step 4. Hit Confirm and approve the transaction on your Tangem device. You'll likely need to verify it with your wallet's security features, like a PIN or biometric scan. Once sent, monitor the transaction on a blockchain explorer like Etherscan to ensure its processing. Finally, Step 5. Head back to your Trezor wallet and refresh it. Your Chainlink should appear shortly after the transaction confirms. Congrats! You've successfully withdrawn your assets. A quick tip: always use hardware wallets like these for better security, and consider testing with a small amount first. If you run into issues, check official support forums. Thanks for watching, and if this helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more crypto tips. See you next time.